You know what makes chicken even better? Cheese. And not just any cheese, Boursin cheese. This dish is rich, creamy, and ridiculously easy to make. This little block of magic is about to transform your dinner. We're making Boursin chicken. Flavour packed, creamy, and done in no time at all. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but every time I see a pack of Boursin, I just think, un vin du pain du Boursin. Remember it as a kid. Apologies for my accent, especially if you're French. I don't mean to offend, but just something that always tickles me, and it's stuck with me till now. Anyway, let's get cooking. So we're going to start off with a chicken breast. I'm going to glove up actually, because I don't want to get my hands chicken-fied. And my hands are nice and dry, so they should go on, no problem at all, which they have. Okay. And you're going to need a nice sharp knife. And all I'm going to do with this is butterfly it. So from your thickest part of the breast, knife straight through, one clean cut, open it up. Now, you could do it like that. I'm actually going to cut this in half again. So we end up with 2 fillets. Don't have to do it like this. If you want to cube it, do it that way. If you want to do it in strips, if you want to do it as whole chicken breast, do it however you like. I'm going to take these off and bring in some flour. So here I've just got some seasoned flour, which I've just seasoned with salt and pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic granules also to this. So just a smuttering, and just mix it all in. I'm going to get my tongs and just place it, just to coat that chicken really, in that flour mix. One, and our second one. And this will also help just thicken our sauce near the end. I'm just going to move my board into a hot pan. It's on a medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil. So a good tablespoon there. And also some butter as well. A good knob of butter, if I can get it off. There we go. And just let that melt down. That's sizzling nicely, so let's place our chicken in. And we're going to cook that for about 2 minutes per side. We just want to get some colour on it. We're not going to cook it through fully. Okay, let's just flip them over. That's what you're looking for, just a touch of colour. And another 2 minutes that side. Remove your chicken onto a warm plate. We'll come back to that in a minute. If it looks like you need some more oil at this stage, just add a little bit more, but I've got plenty in there. That's 1 shallot, which has been diced. And just cook that out for a minute or so, just to soften it down. Okay, our onion looks good. Chicken stock. Again, adjust quantities on this, depending on how many people you're feeding, how much sauce you want. I've only got that 1 chicken breast, so that's probably about 250 millilitres there of chicken stock. And I'm just going to bring that back up to the simmer before we add in our Boursin. Chicken stock's now bubbling away nicely. Now the packet of joy, the Boursin. Again, go as heavy or as light as you want on this. You can always add more. So I'm going to add that to start with, and let's see how that looks. So just stir this in, and it will gradually start to thicken that sauce up nicely. And you've got all those lovely herbs that come free of charge in the Boursin, which is going to help flavour our dish even more. That's it. And I'm just going to leave that to simmer away for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it will gently thicken as it does so. That's starting to thicken up nicely. I'm then going to return the chicken to the pan and just flip it over. Make sure it's all nicely coated. Again, with our second piece there. Lovely. Any juices you've got left on your plate, get those in there as well. All flavour. And I'm just going to sprinkle it with a touch of parsley. And then I'm going to leave that for another 2 minutes just to finish its cook, and then we can plate it up and see how we've done. So I've just done myself a little bit of rice there. Dish up our chicken. Our second piece out. And some of that sauce. Just get my spoon. And this sauce, hopefully you can see that, how that has thickened up beautifully. And we'll just spoon some of that over our chicken. And there we have it, my Boursin chicken. I'm going to add a little bit more parsley for decoration just over the top. Why not? Because I can. I've already got it chopped up. And let's tuck in and give it a try. Oh, some of that sauce on there. That is amazing. So delicious. Oh, I could eat a truckload of that. That sauce, something with that Boursin as it sort of heats through and reduces down. It just takes on, honestly, the flavour is sublime. That is absolutely delightful. So quick, it's got to be under 10 minutes, surely. Really easy to put together. You saw how easy that was, and very, very tasty. Definitely give this one a go. I don't think you'd be disappointed with this. I'm pretty sure, actually, the whole family would enjoy this one. Really do appreciate you tuning in and watching through to the very, very end. If you like the content and you want to see more recipes like this, please do hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and please do comment. Leave your comments down below, especially if you try this. I'd love to hear from you. I'll leave all of the details of today's Boursin chicken down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.